In the dead of night, a stealthy shadow cuts through the dark skies. Its blades spin in utter silence, an invisible predator on the prowl. This phantom is no mere bird of prey. It's a hunter that sees its adversaries while remaining unseen. It's the Su-57, and it's evolving to become an apex aerial assassin. In the vast theater of war, a new apex predator readies its wings for the hunt. Enter the Su-57, christened the Felon by NATO. Russia's answer to the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, engaged in a relentless struggle for supremacy among fifth-generation fighter jets. Now, with the integration of the Iselia 30 engine, the Su-57 stands on the precipice of a monumental transformation, poised to challenge the established order in aerial combat. As per reports from TASS, Russia's state news agency, the Russian Aerospace Forces have been endowed with a squadron often Su-57 fighters outfitted with Stage 1 engines in 2023. Yet, the true game changer lies on the horizon with the imminent deployment of Su-57s equipped with Stage 2 engines, known as the Iselia A30, coupled with the introduction of flat nozzle technology set to commence in 2024. This evolutionary leap promises to catapult the Su-57's capabilities into a new realm. The Iselia 30 engine boasts unparalleled thrust and fuel efficiency, while the flat nozzle technology further reduces its radar footprint. The outcome? A stealthier, deadlier predator capable of effortlessly outmaneuvering its adversaries. The saga of the Su-57 has been nothing short of captivating. Rumors swirl that Russia deliberately avoided sending Su-57s over Ukrainian airspace to avoid potential interception by Ukrainian air defenses. With only a limited fleet of roughly 10 Su-57s, each aircraft is considered a precious asset for the Russian Air Force. Reports also hint that these formidable jets have already proven their worth in ongoing conflicts, notably being deployed to dismantle Ukrainian defenses. As tensions soar, the Su-57 emerges as a symbol of Russia's dominance in contemporary aerial warfare, poised to rule the skies with unmatched ferocity. In June 2022, Russian state media dropped a bombshell. An Su-57 jet was thrust into the heart of combat in Ukraine, assigned the critical task of pinpointing and neutralizing Ukrainian air defenses. With the introduction of the second stage engine, the stakes in this high-stakes game soared to unprecedented levels. Formerly dubbed AL-51F1 during its development phase, this turbofan engine marked a seismic advancement in aviation engineering. Its intricate design, featuring a two-shaft, low-bypass afterburner configuration, is a marvel to behold. With a three-stage fan driven by a single-stage low-pressure turbine and a five-stage high-pressure compressor powered by a solitary high-pressure turbine, the AL-51F1 stands as a testament to design ingenuity. This sophisticated setup ensures optimal efficiency and performance across a wide range of conditions. Compared to its predecessor, the Iselia 30, the enhancements are staggering, incorporating glass fiberplastic inlet guide vanes, or IGVs, and serrated flap nozzles. The engine significantly reduces radar detection, enhancing the Su-57's stealth capabilities. Boasting a remarkable 19% increase in thrust-to-weight ratio, a 6.4% uptick in specific thrust, and an impressive 9% drop in specific fuel consumption. The engine packs a punch. With approximately 107.9 kN in dry conditions and a whopping 166.85 kN in afterburner mode, it represents a fusion of state-of-the-art technology and raw power. To complement its sheer might, the new engine seamlessly integrates with a full authority digital electronic control, or FADEC system, acting as its digital brain, constantly optimizing engine performance. As the Su-57 takes to the skies with its upgraded arsenal, it embodies the relentless pursuit of excellence in modern aviation warfare. In real time, these advancements usher in rapid adjustments, heightened reliability, and seamless adaptability to diverse combat scenarios. While the Su-57 marks significant progress in engine technology with the Iselia 30, a game-changing revelation unfolds with the unexpected incorporation of flat nozzle technology into its engine structure. Flat nozzles bestow a crucial advantage upon the Su-57 by notably diminishing its infrared signature. Unlike conventional rounded noses, the flat design disperses hot exhaust gases evenly, mitigating the distinct heat plume that could expose the aircraft to infrared sensors. This reduction in infrared visibility substantially bolsters the Su-57's stealth capabilities, rendering it less susceptible to detection by heat-seeking missiles and potentially bolstering its survivability in contested airspace. Beyond their stealth enhancements, flat nozzles hold promise for enhancing maneuverability. Their precise control over exhaust flow could translate to heightened aircraft responsiveness, enabling tighter turns and swifter acceleration. This increased agility may furnish Su-57 pilots with a decisive advantage in aerial engagements, empowering them to outmaneuver adversaries and execute complex tactical maneuvers with greater precision. The benefits of flat nozzles extends beyond infrared considerations. When combined with other engine refinements, their integration may contribute to reducing the Su-57's radar signature, further augmenting its stealth capabilities and cementing its position as a formidable contender in modern aerial warfare. This reduced radar signature renders the aircraft less detectable by enemy radar systems, significantly augmenting its overall stealth capabilities. While the full extent of this reduction is yet to be fully realized, it holds promising potential for additional benefits in terms of evasion and preempting unexpected attacks. However, flat nozzles aren't solely fixated on infrared considerations. Their design prioritizes durability, emphasizing resilience and reliability. Engineered to withstand the rigors of high-speed flight and combat maneuvers, these nozzles minimize the risk of damage or distortion. This robustness could translate into decreased maintenance requirements and heightened operational readiness, ensuring that Su-57 remains a dependable asset for extended missions. The integration of the Iselia 30 engine signifies a profound advancement in the Su-57's capabilities, transcending mere enhancements in power and efficiency. It serves as a stepping stone for further innovations and progress in the realm of aerospace engineering. Enter the upgraded version, christened the Megapolis. This iteration doesn't merely showcase the Iselia A30 engine, it represents a comprehensive overhaul, incorporating upgraded avionics, enhanced mission systems, and a meticulously refined airframe. These modifications are meticulously tailored to leverage the full potential of the new engine, culminating in a fighter aircraft that epitomizes the essence of fifth-generation technology. The Megapolis stands poised to challenge and potentially surpass its Western counterparts, including the F-35 and F-22, in terms of sheer capability and performance. Yet, the journey of the Iselia 30 hasn't been devoid of challenges. Its development has been beset by delays and technical hurdles, shrouding its complete operational performance in secrecy. Moreover, apprehensions persist regarding its reliability and maintainability, essential aspects crucial for ensuring sustained combat readiness over extended periods. Despite these obstacles, the Iselia 30 and flat nozzle technology marks a significant turning point for the Su-57 program. In wrapping up, the strides taken by the Su-57 with the integration of the Iselia 30 engine and flat nozzle technology represent a watershed moment in the landscape of aerial warfare. Despite encountering hurdles along the developmental path, the emergence of the Megapolis variant holds immense promise, potentially positioning the Su-57 to compete head-to-head with Western counterparts like the F-35 and F-22. These advancements beg the question: how will the Su-57's advancements reshape the dynamics of modern air combat? We're eager to hear your insights and perspectives in the comments section below. Join the discussion, and let's delve deeper into the future of aerial dominance.